Welcome to Chicago.
We're gonna be heading the road hopefully by 1 o'clock. Just finished packing and we'll get to Chicago probably around 8 o'clock in the morning. After a few stops, could be around 9 o'clock. Hamilton right there. Let's get to the Detroit border. There it is. Into Michigan, then through Indiana, and then finally pop into Chicago right there.
Was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems. When I get it, I'ma pile it up. Now I'm dope, want the bread we can toast. So fresh how we flow, everybody get the style from us. Once was a kid with the other little kids. Now I'm ripping up shows and the fans going wild with us. Tell mommy I'm sorry, this life is a party. I'm never growing up. Reminisce days of the innocence. Now it's Citibank, Google me the images. Follow me, I'm the leader. And when I park cars, I don't pay for the meter. I remember I was younger.
We made it to Chicago, almost. Not gonna say it just yet, because we're not in the city, but pretty close.
Starting to see the skyline. Sears Tower.
Potentially the Sears Tower.
Potentially, that's what Devin thinks. It is the tallest tower there.
So I think that could be
Should be
it.
it.
There's the White Sox. That's the stadium they play at.
Alright, we got Lake Michigan on our right there.
I don't know if you can see it, but
It's there. We're about 5 minutes out from our hotel.
Chicago skyline. And just so everybody knows, we didn't use the GPS at all on the way there.
No, we took only maps from Hamilton to Chicago. But once we hit the city, we decided that we'd take a GPS.
Just to find the hotel, just so we don't waste time.
Because we want to get our day started. It's currently 12:30. So this is coming up to Michigan Avenue, which is one of the main avenues, I guess, in Chicago. Our hotel is on this street, and it is a recommended great walk.
Yeah, that is a magnificent mile.
Yes,
Is what it's called.
and it starts about where we are now. People,
Oh, that's our hotel right there. With the red.
yeah, it is. Cool, we got fancy little red entrance.
Tell mommy I'm sorry, this life is a party. I'm never growing up, was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems, when I get it, I'ma pile it up. Now I'm dope, want the bread we can toast. So fresh how we flow, everybody get the style from us. Was a kid with the other little kids.
See the view.
Shows and the fans going wild with us. Tell mommy I'm sorry,
Cool.
this life
Oh,
is a
and you can sort of see the water over there, Lake Michigan. Sorta. I'll still call it a lake. All right, Blake.
Hi,
Where are we?
we're in Chicago.
Chicago. Got some nice little sculptures here. It's a beautiful day. Huge towers. We're gonna go up this way. And I think something big and shiny might be over there. Oh, I see that big old beam. Look at all the rabbits. There are so many little rabbits. Hey guy. Hey buddy. Yeah. He literally probably lives right in this area. Hey. We got some rock climbing walls over here. So right now we are walking to the comedy club.
About to throw some tomatoes.
So basically, there's gonna be 7 comedians. It's a competition, and we each have 3 tomatoes, and we have to throw the tomatoes at the comedians that we think sucks.
They're not real tomatoes. Everybody in the audience gets 3 of them. They're just little pushy things.
Like spongy tomatoes.
And basically, the winner of the night is the person who has the least tomatoes thrown at them.
So yeah, it should be good. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
Right? This is art. This is a comedy show. Are you my father? What's going on here? Oh, you never played catch with me. I went off with the charm grip. All right, have a good one. Thank you very much.
Oh, now it's reversing. 7.
All right, well, that's that.